Hello guys and welcome back to this new engine optimization series. And today guys I will show you a trick about AIs or starting moving AIs that cause a really bad FPS drop. Okay guys, so for this purpose I take an example. So here I have ab- about 70 AI, okay guys, and now I have configured them in order to, if I click key, it will get all the AI, and for each one it will trigger a custom event named moving, and this custom event will make my character move, okay, with the in the using the simple move to location node. So guys, you will see the result if I click play here. Okay, I invite you to see my on the top right of the screen my FPS. Okay guys, notice guys that I have a pretty much good configuration. So what you are going to see happen in a good configuration. So imagine what will happen to an old PC or old graphic card or old CPU. So if I click key, you see that the engine crash. Okay, and this is because the engine try to trigger the moving or start moving all the characters, the AIs, at the same moment. Okay, even if we try again, let's try again. Okay, even if it doesn't crash, we will have a bad drop of FPS. See, okay, it worked, but you can see that we still have a drop of FPS. So, guys, in order to avoid that, what we need to do, notice guys also that this is a pretty empty level. Okay, it's not a full game. So imagine if you have in addition some vehicles or explosions or other players, or okay, it will really affect your game very bad. So the solution would be to put simply to put a delay between each character, or between the start moving of each character. In my case, I added a delay with a random float in range of minimum 0 and maximum 1 second, 1.5 second. Okay, you can choose how the maximum value, but I think that what for 1.5 second is pretty much enough. So if I click play again, now you can see that not only the engine will not crash, but also the FPS will not drop like before. Okay, you can see that I have a smooth movement of each AI, and my PC or my CPU will not burn out. Okay, guys. So my advice guys for your games, try to never put all your AIs or actors to do the same thing, especially if it is a heavy operation like moving. Okay, the moving operation guys is a heavy operation, not put in mind that it's a heavy operation. So try to always put a delay in order to decay between your characters or your actor actions. Okay guys, this trick is very useful guys, and you will not notice the difference in the result, but your FPS and your CPU will be happy. So guys, it was pretty much everything for this video. I hope it helps you. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and see you in the next tutorial.